Ever feel like your money is scattered across different accounts? Maybe you have a high-interest savings account at another bank, or perhaps you get paid into a traditional bank account. Whatever the reason, managing multiple accounts can feel like a juggling act. But what if you could easily transfer funds between them, seamlessly topping up your Tangerine account whenever needed? Well, guess what? You can. Tangerine makes transferring money from an external account a breeze. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process, whether you're using the Tangerine mobile app or their website. So, ditch the juggling act and get ready to streamline your finances. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. There might be a slight delay for the first transfer you make from a new external account. This is just Tangerine doing their due diligence to ensure everything is secure. After that initial transfer, though, your future transfers will be nice and smooth. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. Transferring from the Tangerine mobile app. Open the Tangerine mobile app and log in securely. On the home screen, tap the button that says Move Money. You'll see two options, Send Interac e-Transfer and Transfer Between Accounts. We want to transfer from an external account, so tap Transfer Between Accounts. Now, choose the Tangerine account you want to transfer the money to. This could be your checking account, savings account, or any other account you have with Tangerine. Next, tap the option that says From External Account. Here's where you'll need to add your external account information. Don't worry, it's a one-time setup. Just enter the name of your bank, the institution number, and your account number. You might also need to provide your branch number, depending on your bank. After entering your details, tap Add Account. Tangerine will likely send a verification message to your external bank to confirm it's you. Just follow the instructions in that message and you'll be good to go. Once your external account is verified, you'll be back in the transfer screen. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose a date for the transfer to occur. Finally, review all the information carefully. Make sure the transfer amount, dates, and account details are all correct. When you're confident, tap Transfer. Transferring from the Tangerine website. Head over to the Tangerine website and log in securely. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over the Accounts tab and select Move Money. Similar to the mobile app, you'll see Send Interac e-Transfer and Transfer Between Accounts. Choose Transfer Between Accounts. Select the Tangerine account you want to transfer the money to from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Add External Account. Just like with the mobile app, enter your external bank information, including the bank name, institution number, and account number. You might also need to provide your branch number. Click Add Account and follow any verification steps your external bank might require. Once verified, you'll be back on the transfer screen. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose a date for the transfer. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, click Transfer. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from your external account to your Tangerine account. Here are a few extra things to keep in mind. You can set up recurring transfers between your accounts if you find yourself needing to top up your Tangerine account regularly. There may be daily or monthly limits on the amount of money you can transfer from an external account. You can check these limits directly with Tangerine. While transfers are usually pretty quick, there could be a slight delay depending on your external bank. So, with a few clicks or taps, you can easily move your money around and keep your finances organized. No more juggling. Thanks for watching, and until next time.